So let me show you how to create this collecting product from screen effect. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, you make a video of yourself dropping the product in 16:9 aspect ratio. Then you make another video in 9:16 aspect ratio with your laptop having a green screen, pretending like you want to collect the product, and you use your other hand to give yourself the product. Then you import your videos into CapCut as a new project. So I added the two videos together. So after that, I clicked on aspect ratio and picked 9:16. So after doing that, I scrolled down to the green screen video, clicked on it and made it an overlay. So I clicked on overlay. After making it as an overlay, I dragged it down beneath the main video. So after doing that, I went back, scrolled down to remove BG, clicked on it, clicked on chroma key, picked the green color, increased the intensity, then increased the shadow a little bit. Then after that, clicked on the check mark. Then I highlighted the main video on the timeline. After highlighting it, I then resized it to adjust it to the screen, so to fit the laptop screen. So that's what I did here. After adjusting it, I played the video to the part where I stretched my hand to collect the product, and played it to the part where I've already put the product in my hand, deleted it at that point, and deleted the clip in the middle. And I dragged the remaining clip to join the other clip. Then after that, I played the video to see how it looks like, and discovered that the part where I dropped the product was still showing. So I took it to the part before I dropped the product and splitted it at that point. Then took it to where the product was already dropped and splitted it at that point. And I deleted the clip in the middle. So I played my video to see how it looks like, to see if it's aligning, and this is how my video turned out.